Jadi itu motor. Eh, kalau dibuat oleh mulut dan nyari kunci baru orang buat. Kalau mau dibuat oleh nama tulen, nama tulen itu. Ina manggal pun yang tulen buat. Tulen buat melalui oleh kunci. Ini karena kau pun menjadi nyari kunci. Ini juga kita lo ambil kan dengan itu. Nah, buat itu buat. Dan yang lagi aku nak lawan tu ni, orang lebih kunci. Ibu hari ini mau boleh kunci guna. Lawan tu lebih besar. Kalau orang tu ini nak kunci lawan.
We want to thank you for this opportunity to meet you here in this very renowned village as well. I want to give a special thanks to Ratuma Mandunu, whom I met a week ago, and we had this discussion about education in general, education in Fiji. Him being a former teacher as well, and of course a politician as well, and we had a good exchange of ideas about first taking a stock of where we are with respect to education and importance of education to not only the current generation but future Fiji. And in this discussion, we also spoke about and discussed and exchanged ideas about primary and secondary schools in Fiji. And we also discussed about importance of us as the current crop of leaders nurturing holistic development of children vis-a-vis multicultural, multi-ethnic schools. And we discussed about your school, Wunda District School and Visesi Primary School, and how we could use these two schools as a model school to harness and inculcate a holistic development of children. And in this, in quest to deliver on to that, we held subsequent discussions and decided to make a formal visit here and seek your blessing on a very important decision that we will be making today with regard to kind of having combined classes, separating the two schools into one into lower primary and one into higher primary, so that all students study together. Studying together with different multi-ethnic backgrounds will allow them to understand each other better, learn from each other, compete against each other, and raise the benchmark. Raise the benchmark of academic excellence, raise the benchmark of tolerance, raise the benchmark of understanding different backgrounds, accommodating different background, beliefs, traditions. And this is contemporary Fiji, and we in the ministry and also the leaders, all of you, are responsible for delivering future Fiji. And we cannot be complacent and just take status quo as the option to deliver future Fiji. We need to continuously think, continuously interrogate the existing way of doing things, so that we come up with ideas of how we can do better. So it is in this regard that we decided that we will make this formal visit, seek your blessing, Turanga, and then meet the board members of the two schools. So thank you, Naka, for the traditional welcome. We're quite humbled by it. And again, I want to thank Ratuma Mandonu for the small discussion we had a week ago, which then resulted in this meeting and probably a historic decision that we will make today. Just to let you know that the school will remain yours, school will be there, management won't change. Same thing applies to the other school. It's just that where the classes will be taught. We don't want to duplicate the classes given the proximity of the school. So we will get students, all of them, to study together for one set of classes, and another set of classes, those students studying them will be studying in another school. Thank you, Naka and Daniel.
Yeah, they want them to make two to go. Two go to mean bully. One again minister. You don't need to go so far. You go over.